Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to create an electrical circuit in Automation Studio using virtual trainers. First, select the proper template to draw your circuit. Go to File, then New Project. Inside the Electrical Virtual Trainers folder, select VFD Illustrated. The circuit you are going to create is used to control the speed of an electric motor through a variable frequency driver. So start by connecting the power circuit. Move your cursor over a red connection port and click when the target symbol appears. Then click on the second connection port to complete the connection. Both connection ports will turn black once they are linked. To change the wire type, click on the wire and choose the appropriate option from the list that appears. In this case, choose Line 1. Then select Line 2 and Line 3 for the other phases of the power circuit. Also adjust the wire path by clicking on the wire and dragging the adjustment anchor to curve the line. We will do the same with the other two lines. Now make the connection for the control circuit. The green push button starts the motor and the blue button changes the frequency to vary its speed. Then we have to configure the VFD. Double-click on it to open the component properties. Go to the bottom in the output section and change both Rally Out 1 and Rally Out 2 to motor running mode. Then open the VFD configuration properties and change the start command source and the frequency reference source. Next, under Preset Frequencies, change the second frequency to 60 Hz. Finally, go to Motor Parameters and change the nominal voltage to 480 volts. And the nominal frequency to 60 Hz. Now it's time to see the system come to life. To begin the simulation, go to the Simulation tab in the ribbon bar and click on the Normal Simulation button. While simulating, activate the circuit breaker by clicking on it. Then press the green push button to start the motor. Observe the frequency in the VFD display and the motor speed in the motor speed display. Now press the blue push button to change the frequency and notice the increased motor speed. When finished, click on the Stop Simulation button in the Control section to end the simulation. You just realized a simple circuit using virtual trainers on Automation Studio. For more information about the Automation Studio software, we invite you to visit our website.